received a lot of questions about the erythritol study, and I wanted to address some of the issues. The comments were ranging from basically denial or accusation that it was sponsored by the sugar industry and all this stuff, and it's complete nonsense. The study was published in Nature Medicine, which is the most premier medicine journal that we have, by Cleveland Clinic Cardiology, which is one of the most premier cardiology groups that we have, and was sponsored by NIH. So there is no conflicts of interest, or at least that we know of. Number two, they specifically looked at high-risk population because it is much easier to pick up signal or positive findings in high-risk populations than if you'll get a healthy population. That will require a much larger study, a much longer time of observation. That's how studies work. At the same time, what you need to understand that high-risk population includes all diabetics. If patient is diabetic, they have a very high risk of developing cardiovascular disease, including heart attacks and strokes. Those people are the most likely will be using artificial sweeteners. And just offhand, there are multiple studies that suggested that all the diet pop has been tripling the risk of strokes. So we know that artificial sweeteners are not healthy for us. This is just another piece of evidence that suggests that maybe we should avoid using those substances. In reality, there is no health benefit of using that. This is done only to fool the body that you're eating something sweet. If you have sweet cravings, you may need to look into that and figure out why you have sweet cravings, instead of chastising the study and saying that erythritol is safe and we should be using it for our health benefits. Follow me for more and share with others.